Okay, here we have an 8-inch by 13-inch horizontal bandsaw made by Jet. And we have it powered up so you can watch it run. You just pull out the E-stop. Okay. We check the coolant pump. The coolant pump does operate. Turn that off for now. Say that this wheel right here spins. Don't have a blade on it because this wheel right here has 3 hairline cracks. Can't really see them on the video here, but they are there. It says hydraulic down feed. Just let that down. And as the head comes down, with the switch back there, it automatically shuts the machine off. There's a 4-speed belt drive, 115 volt. It is used. It's in pretty decent condition though. It is missing some parts. All the blade guides that are usually mounted on here, all the components there are missing. It does have the material stop, and the tensioner appears to operate correctly. You can see the wheel moves a little bit there. It's got some metal shavings, a little bit of oil, a little bit of dirt, nothing major. Here's your coolant pump down there, your hose. Looks like some of the coolant lines over here are no longer available there, so you have to replace them, all the components. Most importantly, this wheel. Parts can be obtained from Jet. Like I said, overall it's in really good condition. And all the functions on it appear to operate correctly.